Here's how to make a flight reservation online without paying the full ticket price. Start by using a service that provides verifiable flight reservations like Onward ticket. Select Book Now, then enter your departure, city, destination, and travel date. Choose whether you need a one-way or return reservation. For example, you can select Jeddah as your departure city and Doha as your destination, then choose your preferred travel date. Next, select your gender and enter your first name and last name. Choose if you want to have flexibility of dates enabled for a price or not. Then select if you want to activate your ticket right now or after some time when your flight date is near. Note that the ticket activates for only 48 hours if you activate right now. Next, enter your email address and then the service will search for available flights and reserve an available itinerary. Review the flight details, passenger information, and reservation validity before continuing. Some services charge a small processing fee for creating the reservation, so this isn't necessarily completely free. After completing the payment, wait for the reservation to be processed. Once it's confirmed, you can download the reservation and review the flight details. For additional verification, use the airline's official website and enter the booking reference and passenger information when supported to confirm that the reservation exists. That's all for this video. Thanks.